Hey guys, EBPMAN here, and today we're going to take a look at 3 cases brought to us by Encased, and these are all for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Let's go ahead and check them out. Now this next case right here is a hard case, but it's called the Slim Shield. You can see that right there, and it's really designed to provide you some really nice protection. I'm going to pop this out just like this. Little difficult to pop out, but you'll notice that it has these little notches right here that lock into place in each one of these sides. Now, back to it. So this is neat because it allows you to kind of to accent the case. So if you have the lilac note, this goes in really nicely. So see that combination? Looks pretty sharp. Now with this one, simply all you're going to do is you're going to slide your note into place, and you'll notice that as I slid it in, the tempered glass screen protector, you notice how it's still pretty secure there, so you have no issues with that. And what we're going to do is put the bottom in. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available. Alright, so taking a closer look at what this case looks like on the phone, you'll notice that got great screen protection going on there. Cutouts are really nicely aligned. Over here everything looks pretty sharp as well. Button is nice. Looks like very responsive. From a screen protection, again, white stone glass, but you'll notice that it comes up slightly above the glass, so you should be fine as well. Try the wireless charging, and it's solid. Now this last case is probably the most rugged of all the cases that we have here. Great screen protection. You'll notice how it has all these, it raises the back, which is glass, from the back in the event that you do drop it like this, that it will absorb it and not really take it on the glass itself. Has kind of like some flexibility, but it's very, very rigid and has some really great screen protection. Let's go ahead and put our phone in it and see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the phone. Notice screen protection is pretty spot on. So this one has more material, so you have on each side great screen protection. Really nice looking case. Notice how much material there is here protecting your phone. Cutouts look really good. See that right there? Cutout on the top. Buttons are very responsive, and again, white stone dome glass compatible. Let's try the wireless charging. And it also charges. Alright guys, so this concludes our review of these 3 cases from Encased for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. If you have any comments or questions, leave it in the comment area, smash that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.